Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and healthy. Today, we are going to learn an interesting chapter named as The Great Spirit of the Sal Tree. So, let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a kingdom in North India. The king of that kingdom wanted to build a palace. But, students, he wanted to build a palace in a different way. That palace should be more remarkable than any other in the country, as he could not make it richer, taller, stronger, or more beautiful without great expense and trouble. So he thought to build a palace upon a single wooden column. Column means pillar. A column which was cut into pieces from one of the biggest trees in his kingdom. He called his minister and said, "Send men to my forest, far and near, and tell them to cut down and bring to the city without delay the mightiest tree they can find." Students, mightiest means strongest tree from the forest. Then 30 foresters went there in searching for a tree which is equally strong and gigantic, but they could not carry or drag them as it was difficult for them. Why, students? Because there was difficult terrain, means a piece of land which was difficult for them to bring to the kingdom. The king heard this, but later he sent for the foresters again. By means of horses, one of these trees must be brought here, he said. It is not possible, they said. No horses could move such a tree even an inch. By means of bullocks, then, the king said. But later foresters said, even bullocks cannot carry or drag the tree from the dense forest. The king asked, by means of elephants? On this they replied, it is hardly possible, for the ground is so marshy that the elephants would sink to their knees in it. Very well, said the king angrily. If you cannot bring me such a tree from the forest, then you must find it with one of my village park. Bring it here within a week. Foresters left and went directly to a splendid sal tree, which grew not far from the palace. So, here, students, the foresters, after leaving the palace, directly went to the splendid sal tree. Splendid means a magnificent, or you can say very impressive. But that sal tree was worshipped by many villagers because inside the tree there was a tree spirit, that means a supernatural power, who gave the tree its great strength, size, and beauty. The foresters decided with much reluctance that the king's column must be made from this lordly sal tree and from no other. They returned to it with garlands, lamps, and music to offer them to the spirit inside, and to warn him that he must leave his abode, for within 7 days it would be cut to the ground. So, here, students, the king wanted to build a palace within column, so that palace looks beautiful. After deciding, they left the village. Then they returned to the village with garlands, lamps, and music to offer them to the spirit inside the tree, and to warn spirit that within 7 days he should leave, because seventh day they will cut the tree. The tree spirit heard and understood well enough what was about to happen. It remained quiet as a resting breeze blew for a few moments. Then all his leaves began to whisper and his topmost branches bowed. And the foresters went away, satisfied that he had answered their plea. But this was what the leaves were whispering to each other. After the foresters left, the tree spirit understood what was going to happen, and it remains quiet, but the leaves started to whisper to each other. Whisper means, students, to speak softly, and the topmost branches bowed because of the breeze. And the foresters thought that the tree had answered their request. Plea means, students, request. So they happily went back to the palace. Then students' leaves were whispering to each other whether they should accept the king's decision or not. If they accept the king's decision, they will die, and the spirit inside the sal tree will also die. But our fall will crush all the little sal tree that have up and thrive under our protection. So, at least for children's sake, the king has to change his decision. Students sprung up meaning to rise or move suddenly. Thrive means grow or develop well. The spirit within the tree thought this must not be allowed. I must visit the king and persuade him. Persuade means students' arguments. That night, while the king was asleep, a shining figure appeared to him in his dreams and spoke in a voice that was like a rustle. So the tree spirit thought that it will not allow the king to cut the tree. So the spirit decided to go and meet the king to request him in his dream. I am the spirit of the sal tree, O king. Your foresters this day have told me of your decision to fell me. I have come to beg you to change your mind. No, I cannot, grumbled the king. Yours is the only tree in all my parks strong enough to support a palace building, and therefore I must have it. Consider, O king, for 1,000 years I have been worshipped by the people of many villages, and never has anything but good come out to them. The birds nest in me. I sent a vast and a lovely shade upon the grass beneath me. Against my trunk people rest, and will creatures too. Glad of the coolness, the earth blesses me. The king was not ready to accept the plea, that is, request of the spirit. But the spirit did not leave. He again came to convince him, saying that the sal tree giving shade to the villagers. The birds are nesting beneath me, and so many wild creatures also rest, which give coolness to them, and the earth blesses me. All good enough, good tree spirit, spoke the king. But for all this I cannot spare you. I have made up my mind. Then grant me one last request, said the tree spirit. Let me be felt in three parts. First, my head with its crown of waving greenery. Next, my middle with its 100 strong arms and hands. Last, my base, which bears heaviest and knottiest of my limbs upon it. Then later king said, this is a strange request. Never before did I hear of one who desired 3 times to suffer the death stroke. Why not endure the agony but once and have it over? Here, students, king was surprised to listen this strange request from the spirit to die 3 times but in one stroke. It is like this, O king. Around me have grown up my family. Dozens of young sal trees have sprung from me and thrived in my generous shadow. Should you fell me with one mighty stroke, my weight would certainly crush all my children to death. But if 3 times I suffer the stroke and fall in 3 pieces, some of the little ones may escape. Is my prayer granted? The tree spirit asked to the king. Indeed it is, said the king, whereupon the tree spirit faded away. The next morning, the king called his ministers and his foresters and told them that he had changed his mind. The column for the new palace should be built of stone, not wood. For said he, within the sal tree dwells a spirit nobler than my own. And he told them of his vision, and they all marveled. So students, next morning king called his minister and tell them that he had changed his mind. So now column for the new palace will be built with stones and not with wood. So students, I hope you understood the lesson. Thank you so much for your patience. I hope you liked our video. Take care. Bye bye.